Welcome to another episode of ProMathGic Series where we combine programming, math and magic. In today's episode, we are not going to reveal the card of the spectator, but instead, we are going to predict the card at last. So it will be a complete mathematical trick. Mr. Juja is also with me today. His battery is full. Mr. Juja, show your presence.
Dear viewers, I am excited as hell to feature in this video. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, I know your battery is full. Don't shout. Today it will be a complete mathematical card trick. You will definitely enjoy it. With that note, welcome to ASA Learning. In today's trick, we are going to see a mathematical trick where we will predict the card exactly what the spectator chooses. So Mr. Juja, pick a number between 10 and 20.
I want 15, Professor.
So you want 15? 15 is your choice. You want to change your mind?
Well, I don't have mine, I'm a robot, Professor. I change it to 14.
Okay, so 14. 14 is your number. Do you want to change it again?
No, Professor.
14 is final, right? Okay. You can give this complete set of cards to the spectator and ask him to shuffle. This is a complete no setup card trick. And once you got the deck, show him that all these cards are random. You can see all these cards are completely random. You can see here, right? So all these cards are random. So as Mr. Juja has chosen 14, I am going to count from the top 14 cards down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'll keep the rest of the deck aside. I have 14 cards from the top. In 14 we have two digits, 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Again I am going to deal from the top 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth card we are going to exactly predict what is this card. This card is 5 of diamonds and it is onyx. So I'll show this to camera now. And Mr. Juja, just verify this one. So this is exactly 5 of diamonds and onyx. Aren't you excited, Juja?
Yes, Professor, but I figured it out.
So we will see the reveal of this mathematical trick right now. The trick reveal is very simple. Once you got the shuffle deck from the spectator, you are going to show to the spectator all these cards are different ones. When you are doing so, from the bottom, just remember the 10th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th card here is 5 of clubs, Raticate, right? So once you do it, just do it in a hidden way such that you count it, the 10th card, you should be keeping it in mind. Because no matter what number the spectator chooses between 10 and 20, let's say now the spectator chooses 18. So I'll deal 18 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, again 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9th card will always be the 10th card that we have memorized. So it is 5 of spades, Raticate. So this is a simple trick and we will see the math behind this trick and we will code this in Python in just one line of code. Now directly we are going to code it in Python. We will use, as usual, data types, numbers, strings and lists, for loops, list operations, list comprehensions and functions as well. So in this trick, we are going to reveal it in just one single line. Let's get straight to the Python code. I will zoom the Jupyter notebook now. Yeah. As we have already seen this in episode 1 and 2, we are going to create a deck of 52 cards. So I'll just print it out. We got a complete deck of 52 cards. Consider this is the bottom card and this is the top card. So as per the trick reveal, our only motto is to memorize the 10th card from the top. So from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th card is 5 of spades. So I have given negative index of -10, which we are going to memorize now. So 5 of spades is the exact card that we are going to tell to the spectator at the last. We have asked the spectator to choose a number between 10 and 20. Now let's assume it is 16. So we have to deal 16 cards from the top. So here I'll take the deck of cards list and I'll give -16 because we are going to deal from the top 16 cards. Because the spectator has chosen the 16. We are going to print everything from the top in 16. So here we got from the top 16 cards. I'll just give a print function for a better view. Yes, now we got 16 cards from the top till Queen of Diamonds, but here you can see we have actually sliced this particular 52 cards, but we have not rotated it because we are going to deal from the top one by one. So Ace of Spades should be at the first position. In order to do that, we are going to use the same concepts of rotation of a list that we have already used in our previous episodes. Rotation of the array is really simple. Using this list, all we have to give is select the complete list. We are going to step it using -1. So the step will be -1, as simple as that. So if you print this one, we got the rotated thing because we are placing the first Ace of Spades from the top at the first position, next King of Spades in the second position, as per our trick. So the next step is really simple. We are going to get the sum. So if it is a 16, all we have to do is 1 plus 6, which gives 7. So as simple as that, we have to print the 7th card. So here, if you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7th card is exactly our predicted card, which is 5 of spades. Now let's give the negative index as we are dealing from the top. So if I print this one, we got exactly 5 of spades. So instead of hard coding this one, we will write a simple function and we will predict the card by giving any other inputs. So let's write a simple function for this. In order to create a function in Python, you have to use def operator. I'll name this function as reveal card, and all we have to give is the number. So the number will be the input to this particular function. So it will be an argument here. So before that, we have to find the sum of these digits. So let's use a simple logic for that. I'll name a variable called as sum and I'll assign it as 0. So for I in, we'll convert it as a string. So it will iterate. If you give 16 here, in the first iteration, the I value will be 1 and next iteration, the I value will be 6. So I need to calculate the sum here. So int of I need to typecast it. Let us print for our reference. Now we have to give the same line which we have revealed it before. Instead of hard coding it, we are going to give n and sum. So I will choose the deck of cards list, and instead of hard coding it, this time we will give n and we have to rotate the array again. So step is -1, and as usual from the top we have to get the sum of these digits. So we'll run this function and we will try to give any random numbers to test our code. We'll call the function reveal card, and now consider our input is 17. So if I run this one, the sum is 8 and we got exactly 5 of spades, which is our memorized card. So from the top, the 10th card is 5 of spades and we got 5 of spades. As simple as that. You can choose any number. Now let's test it by giving 12. Again we got 5 of spades. Let's test it by using 19. Again 5 of spades. It doesn't matter because always the 10th card, what we have already memorized, will always be our predicted card. So this is a very simple mathematical trick. I hope you all enjoyed this video. The complete code is available in the description below. Give a like to the video, comment below. What do you want, Mr. Juja?
I want to give thanks note, Professor.
Okay. There is no way. Mr. Juja will be giving the thanks note.
Thank you for watching, my dear viewers. And don't forget to subscribe to ASA Learning.
That's how you say subscribe to ASA Learning. I'm sorry viewers. Until then, for more fun with learning, keep watching ASA Learning YouTube channel. Thank you and take a pound.